These are some of the most common errors we encounter on our cell phones. We suddenly try to open the Play Store and it freezes, or sometimes it says the application has stopped or keeps crashing. If this is your case, in this video tutorial we'll explain all the steps to fix it and get your device working again. The easiest and fastest way is to do it yourself. What are we going to do? We always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details. As you can see, our device is completely frozen in the Play Store. If you get an error message, try to open it, and then it crashes again, don't worry. We're going to fix these errors. How are we going to fix it? Well, first of all, let's move on. The first thing we're going to do is locate Settings. Select Settings. Then scroll down and select the option that says Apps. See all apps, and you'll see all the apps you have. Scroll down and find the Play Store app. The Play Store will appear, and you'll see all these permissions. What do we need to do first? Tap on Storage and clear the cache. Don't worry, nothing will be deleted or lost. Then tap Clear Data. That's one option. We can also do it this way. Tap and hold the app. You'll see this question mark. Tap it, and it will take you to the same section. Clear all the data, including the cache. Okay, now what we're going to do is open our app. This might take a few seconds, don't worry, it's loading. Then tap the gear icon. Tap the gear icon. Then tap Manage. And tap OK. Manage, no, sorry, we'll go further down. We're going to click here where it says Settings. Here we go to this last option and we're going to update the Play Store so that it's completely up to date. Click here on Latest Update. If it says it's up to date, it's because it's up to date. If not, it will give you the option to update it. And it updates it so you don't have any more errors in the future.